Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll structurally explain you in a smooth way from beginners to advanced level of developers how these vibe coding tools will help them. In which stage, which vibe coding tool is better. So the evolution of coding with AI from beginner to expert I will explain. Imagine stepping into the world of coding with no prior knowledge, just an idea in your mind. How do you bring it to life? There is where, this is where vibe coding tools comes in. Let's take a journey from a complete beginner to advanced developer, exploring how these tools transform the way we write the code. The beginner, that is 0 to first line of coding. At this stage, you don't know syntax, functions, or even where to start. Instead of getting lost or lost in tutorials, you turn it to Replit. It's this Replit is actually a web page where it will provide you a platform where you can able to code as well. You can turn to Replit or Claude or ChatGPT or Perplexity, like this many are there. So what are these Claude, ChatGPT or Perplexity? So what all are these? Let's say you type, I want a website that takes my name and says hello. Then what these do is these generates HTML, CSS and JavaScript for you, and it even explains you the code in simple terms, like it's a chatting chatbot, you can assume like that. So at that stage, like beginner stage, these are very helpful to you. Whereas coming to Ripple it, you just paste the code and see, it work instantly. No setup, no installations, just pure learning by doing. You tweak color and add buttons and see changes live through this environment. Nowadays, even Ripple it also providing their own AI assistant in order to optimize your code. So that is the intermediate level. But at this beginner stage, AI like ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity, these are famous. And nowadays, DeepSeek also came into market. Among these famous categories, so like that, multiple models are coming. Such type of chatbots will help you understand what coding looks like before you deep dive into real development. Now you know some syntax. Let's say now you are an intermediate level coder and you have some speed and confidence. Now you want to improve them a bit more and you want to leverage the technology or this vibe coder vibe code tools in order to improve your speed and in order to improve your confidence. Now you want some syntax. Now you know some syntax, but writing everything from scratch is slow, right? Yes. So this is where GitHub Copilot and Amazon Q, and you can see this is a cursor shines, where this GitHub Copilot and Amazon Q, you start typing a function that is a, they just integrate into your integrated development environment IDE, and they help you to develop your code. You start typing a function add it automatically completes. Let's say you need to sort a list. Just write a comment like sort a list, then this Copilot or Q or whatever the tool that you integrated into your IDE. In this cursor, they provide their own AI assistant so that it can able to help you for that. Like these will generate the code. It will learn from your style, make your code faster. Like by reading the previous code that you develop, it develop the next code. Whereas this cursor, it's a VS code based AI assistant that takes your instructions. It's a separate environment. Like let's say in my VS code, I want to add some tools like Viper code tools. Then during that time, GitHub Copilot, Amazon Q are supporting for you. Whereas if you want a platform where that already having some AI assistant, so such type of platform is this cursor. In this cursor, a VS code based AI assistant that takes you instructions. Let's say you ask to refactor this function or modify this function to do more efficient and rewrite it cleanly. Then what it will do is it will rewrite before applying changes. It can even ask you or it can ask your control like, do you want to accept this or do you want to keep a previous one? Like just accept or reject. In this cursor we have mainly two modes are there. One is standard mode and the second one is agent mode. In this standard mode, it provides you suggestions, and if you accept it, then that code will be pasted into the respective file. Whereas in advanced mode, so that comes under advanced developer. Like I just move it a bit. So these are the two tools. Like cursor agent mode is, this cursor is nothing but the platform, right? So in that agent mode option is there. So in that agent mode, if you use this cursor, so that comes under the advanced developer part, like automating and complex solution generating. You are building your project, but now you need efficiency, debugging, and automation. So this is where this Windsurf AI as well as this cursor agent mode, or you can say agent mode in cursor, will help you. So first I will tell you about this cursor agent mode. It acts like a junior developer. Under your guidance, you say optimize this for performance, and it will make multiple adjustments. It can even test your code for you as well. So what about this winds of Aether? So it doesn't just suggest, this also will execute the changes automatically. It provides you less control compared to this cursor, because cursor will ask you, but this will automatically do everything for you based on your requirement. Let's say need to restructure your code base. This Windsurf does it intelligently. It even runs the code and shows the result instantly. So at this stage, what happens is AI does not just help you; it will collaborate with AI, like it will collaborate with you like a teammate. So that is where this advanced stage and the future development. So that's also very important to discuss. Code without boundaries. Imagine you are coding without worrying about syntax, setup, or debugging. This vibe coding is leading us tomorrow, like towards a future where AI handles the routine tasks and developers focus on their creativity. That is, AI writes, refactors, and tests the code. You describe what you want, and it builds complex applications. The gap between coder and non-coder disappears there. So this is why mastering in vibe coding tools today is not just useful, it is essential for staying ahead in technology. Why this journey is matter? If you are a beginner, AI makes coding easy and fun. If you are an intermediate developer, then AI boosts your efficiency. If you are an advanced developer, AI becomes your collaborative code assistant. So vibe coding is not just a trend, it's the future of software development. Mastering these tools today and you will always stay ahead. So if you found this helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is BTech Spark, for more AI powered, or you can say advanced concepts. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye, guys.